Hello everyone, I am Ishmal Khan from mcqslearn.com. This video is one of the videos from Histology series. This video includes some important notes MCQs from chapter Male Reproductive System. I recommend to practice complete series in chapter-wise order to learn complete course. You should download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning by clicking URLs in description. Now we start our learning session from Male Reproductive System notes with MCQ number 1. Testes function as a option A exocrine only, option B mononucleated, option C endocrine only, and option D exocrine and endocrine. The correct answer is option D, which is exocrine and endocrine. MCQ number 2. Vestibular glands are also named as option A falciform, option B Bartholin's gland, option C androgens, and option D glans clitorides. The correct answer is option B, which is Bartholin's gland. MCQ number 3. The innermost layer of the uterus is known as option A perimetrium, option B Graafian follicle, option C myometrium, and option D endometrium. The correct answer is option D, which is endometrium. MCQ number 4. A spermatogonium that contains a oval darkly stained nucleus and nucleolus lies near the nucleus membrane known as option A type A spermatogonia, option B type B spermatogonia, option C type A pale spermatogonia, and option D primary oocytes. The correct answer is option A, which is type A spermatogonia. Before proceeding to the next MCQ, I advise you to download and enjoy all-in-one courses app, a free interactive app developed by MCQs Learn for Quick Learning. This app includes more than 300,000 MCQs, quizzes, flashcards, and polls for histology, microbiology, biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology, zoology, and many other courses. I also advise you to subscribe for the premium version to access all features like unlimited honey jars, ads-free quizzes, detailed answer key, and view complete analytics. You may cancel the subscription during the trial period. Please read details in description to download app from iOS and Android URLs. Thank you. Let's go to the next MCQ. MCQ number 5. Mammalian ovum is surrounded by the thick membrane named as option A none, option B acrosomal membrane, option C adluminal compartment, and option D zona pellucida. The correct answer is option D, which is zona pellucida. MCQ number 6. The core structure of the tail is named as option A middle piece, option B axial filament only, option C axoneme and axial filament, and option D axoneme only. The correct answer is option C, which is axoneme and axial filament. MCQ number 7. Functions of the Sertoli cells is to secrete the androgen binding protein, option B all of others, option C to secrete inhibin, and option D to carry out phagocytosis of excess cytoplasm. The correct answer is option B, which is all of others. MCQ number 8. The diameter of the theca lutein cells is nearly option A 15 micrometer, option B 12 micrometer, option C 16 micrometer, and option D 18 micrometer. The correct answer is option A, which is 15 micrometer. MCQ number 9. The longest piece of the sperm is named as option A principal piece, option B end piece, option C larger piece, and option D middle piece. The correct answer is option A, which is principal piece. MCQ number 10. The function of the ovary is to produce option A ova and egg, option B egg only, option C secretion, and option D ova only. The correct answer is option A, which is ova and egg. MCQ number 11. The cyst of the cervical gland is named as option A uterine cyst, option B Nabothian cyst, option C parotid gland, and option D ovary cyst. The correct answer is option B, which is Nabothian cyst. MCQ number 12. The diameter of the efferent ductile is nearly option A 40 micrometer, option B 80 micrometer, option C 50 micrometer, and option D 30 micrometer. The correct answer is option C, which is 50 micrometer. MCQ number 13. A connection between the testicle and the convoluted region involved in semiferious tubule to the reed testes, known to be as option A tabulus rectus, option B tabuli recti, option C all of others, and option D tabuli seminiferi recti. The correct answer is option C, which is all of others. MCQ number 14. The length of the efferent dactyle is about option A 6 micrometer, option B 7 centimeter, option C 7 micrometer, and option D 6 centimeter. The correct answer is option B, which is 7 centimeter. MCQ number 15. The function of the epididyme is incorporated with option A reabsorption, option B transportation of the spermatozoa, option C all of others, and option D storage of the spermatozoa. The correct answer is option C, which is all of others. To conclude this session, I advise you to download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning from URLs in the description of this video. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos for all courses related to your major. Thank you for watching this video and take care.